Hi friends, before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents how alkaline water kills cancer cells and how to prepare it. Recently there has been a great debate regarding alkaline water. It's nutritionists' opinion that it can be highly beneficial in cleansing toxins, promoting healthy metabolism and hindering cancer development. It is important that it finds additional support in the fact that one of the main causes for many serious diseases, cancer included, is chronic acidity. Alkaline water promotes healthy body function and reduces the risk of cancer and other health conditions. Determining the pH value of water. The pH value of pure rainwater is 7 and is considered as neutral value. Any value below 7 falls in the category of acidic waters, while the water with pH value above 7 is considered as alkaline. The human body, on the other hand, has no uniform pH value. Every organ and every tissue in our body has different pH value. Effect of alkaline water on your body. Regular daily consumption of alkaline water can do a world of good for your health. Just have in mind that 80% of human body consists of water. It is only natural that any imbalance of the pH levels can reflect badly on your proper functioning of your body. However, if we analyze the food that is consumed in America, we will see that it contains acidic foods. Despite its popularity, fried food abundant in fats can be the worst choice of food. In addition, ingredients such as alcohol, coffee, processed foods, excessive use of salt, and refined sugar are also harmful for our pH balance. A disturbance of your pH value can severely damage your health. Some of the most usual symptoms resulting from increased acidity of your body are problems with the immune system, headaches, constant tiredness, and grave digestive problems. This also functions the other way around because increased alkaline environment of your body can also have its downsides. Both excessive acidity and alkalinity can affect your bodily functions and lead to cell death. If this problem persists, it can have negative effect on your organs and put your life in danger. Alkaline environment is hostile for cancer cells. The health benefit of alkaline water cannot be denied. To begin with, it is much more effective when it comes to hydrating your body, resulting in better functioning of the body, thus improving the overall health. How to make your own alkaline water. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon Himalayan salt, 2 liter purified water, 1 organic lemon sliced. Preparation: fill a larger jar with water, make sure it is clean and filtered, pour in the lemon slices and make sure you do not lose any of the juice. Stir in a teaspoon of Himalayan pink salt, seal the jar and let it rest overnight. Room temperature works fine. Next morning, drink 3 glasses of your alkaline water. Remember, you should do this before you eat or drink anything. Alkaline water restores the pH balance in your body. Make it today and your body will be more than grateful. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.